10. Switzerland. We begin our list in the heart of Europe, Switzerland. The country stands out not only for its secure living conditions and strong banking system, but also for its low taxes. Income tax rates vary depending on the region you live in, offering different advantages based on personal preferences. Generally, individual income tax ranges between 10% and 20%, while corporate tax averages around 14%. With its high living standards, strong economy, and flexible tax structure, Switzerland remains an attractive destination for both investors and wealthy individuals. 9. Singapore. Known as Asia's financial hub, Singapore boasts one of the most competitive tax systems in the world. Income tax starts at 0% and goes up to a maximum of 22%. However, the real advantage is that foreign-sourced income is tax-exempt. That means entrepreneurs earning money from abroad can benefit greatly. Corporate tax is only 17%, and in some sectors, incentives can reduce this even further. With its political stability, modern infrastructure, and investor-friendly environment, Singapore ranks among Asia's most tax-advantaged countries. 8. United Arab Emirates. The UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi, stands out as one of the few countries with zero personal income tax. Individuals pay absolutely no income tax. Only large companies are subject to a 9% corporate tax. Starting a business and owning property is easy for foreigners. With its modern infrastructure, safe environment, and international business opportunities, the UAE is a top choice for digital nomads and entrepreneurs. 7. Monaco. Located on the French Riviera, Monaco is one of Europe's smallest yet richest nations. There's no personal income tax at all. Only certain businesses engaged in commercial activities pay limited corporate tax. This makes Monaco a tax haven for artists, athletes, and high-net-worth individuals. Although living costs are high, the country's prestige, safety, and tax benefits make it one of the most desirable places in the world. 6. Bermuda. Located in the Atlantic Ocean, Bermuda is recognized as both a financial and tourism center. There are no income, corporate, capital gains, or inheritance taxes. A large portion of the government's revenue comes from import fees and indirect taxation. Although the cost of living is high, many international banks and insurance companies have established their main offices here. This makes Bermuda highly appealing to both businesses and affluent individuals. 5. The Bahamas. Another island nation with zero income tax. The Bahamas. There's also no corporate or capital gains tax. Government income is primarily generated from tourism and customs duties. This setup makes the country appealing for foreign investors and freelancers alike. Long-term residence permits are also available. Combining financial benefits with a tropical lifestyle, the Bahamas is truly a tax-friendly paradise. 4. Andorra. Nestled between Spain and France, Andorra is one of Europe's lowest tax regions. Income tax is just 10%, and corporate tax is capped at 10%. The value-added tax, EVAT, is only 4.5%, far below the European average. Despite low taxes, the country offers excellent public services, healthcare, and a high quality of life. For investors seeking to live in Europe with minimal taxes, Andorra is an appealing choice. 3. Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands is one of the rare places in the world where no direct taxes are imposed at all. There are no income, corporate, capital gains, or inheritance taxes. Because of this, many international banks, investment funds, and financial firms choose to base their headquarters on these islands. Naturally, the cost of living is high, and obtaining permanent residency isn't easy, but for high-income individuals, the benefits are highly attractive. 2. Vanuatu. Located in the Pacific Ocean, Vanuatu is lesser known but highly tax-friendly. There's no income tax, no corporate tax, and even no inheritance tax. Citizenship by investment is also available. With its peaceful lifestyle, natural beauty, and zero tax policy, Vanuatu stands out as a unique option for those seeking both financial freedom and tranquility. 1. United Arab Emirates, again at the top. At the very top of our list, once again, is the United Arab Emirates. The complete absence of personal income tax, ease of doing business for digital professionals, and investor-friendly environment make it the #1 destination. In recent years, Dubai has become a global hub for freelancers, investors, crypto entrepreneurs, and content creators. With high living standards, modern infrastructure, and a zero tax policy, the UAE remains the most attractive tax haven of 2025.